Hi friends, welcome to Gradeup, India's largest e-learning platform. In this session, I am going to discuss what is the syllabus prescribed by the ESE prelims, and among them, what are the important topics and preparation strategy for the standards and quality subject. Good. So in today's video, I am going to discuss these are the points, syllabus discussion, and important topics and preparation strategy. So before moving on to it, I will give a brief info regarding me. This is Balaji Gupta Tanguturi, having 18 plus years experience in teaching and 9 plus years experience in GATE and other competitive exams training. I did my undergraduation from JNTUH and post-graduation from IITM, industrial engineering, engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, drawing. These are the subjects I am handling for various competitive examinations. I was mentored more than 30,000 aspirants for different competitive examinations. So first of all, we'll move on to the syllabus, what it was prescribed in the ESE notification as well as in the UPBSC site. That is, this is the fifth topic present in that is going to be standards and quality practices. Standards and quality practices in production, construction, maintenance, service. So all are given. So production is nothing but manufacturing, construction, so related to the civil works, and maintenance, so mechanical maintenance is any other maintenance, service sectors also. What is the various standards to be used and what are the quality practices, means who will fix these standards and what all are those standards and what is the significance of one over the other. All these things we are expecting in the examination. From the previous question papers also, whatever the observations we made, I am going to present all those here. So the major areas in standards and quality practices is, first one is from the terminology, basic terminology of quality and its characters of the quality. They are giving the questions from it. And another one is quality gurus philosophies, because so many people contributed their research work as well as their knowledge in order to know what is how to measure the quality, how to improve it. So all these things will come under quality gurus philosophies. And standards and codes to be used in different service sectors. So ISOs and standards, lead standards, so what they are going to be uses. And next one is quality control tools. So we are getting the questions from here also. Quality control tools. So like you are already come across it with attribute control charts, variable control charts, and some other elements we are going to come across in this. And improvement techniques, nowadays we are observing one word, that is Six Sigma limits, quality function deployment. So all these things will come across in improvement techniques. So these are the major areas we can able to guess to get the questions from it, and we observed from these areas we got the questions. So basic terminology and characters. So these are characters of a quality if you come across. So what are the quality characters of the object? It is quality of design. Different things are there. Three are there. One is quality design, means in order to get the final quality, means customer, in order to satisfy with the product, so you have to maintain the quality standards in different stages. That is quality in design, quality of conformance, and another one is quality of performance. So we got already the questions from quality of conformance and design. we can able to expect the questions from performance and basic terminology. Different people gave the different words regarding the quality. Quality means meeting the customer requirements, fit for the purpose, like this. So who coined this particular word? So all those things we will come across in basic terminology. Now, quality gurus philosophies. So from the beginning, so many people are concentrated for developing the quality. Means in order to measure it, whenever the customer is not satisfied, whenever the managements are not going to satisfied with their processes, then they call upon some of the experts and they studied that particular organization or industry and they came to the conclusions. So among them here we can able to come across few people like Shewart, Deming, Crosby, Ishiwaka, like this. So many people are there. So if you observe the previous question papers, we already got some questions from Deming principles and Crosby's principles and Ishiwaka diagram. All these places, they are going to play a major role. And what is the important features of each and every quality guru contribution, on which area they are concentrated. So few people are concentrated on manufacturing, few people are concentrated on maintaining, like administration. Some people they are concentrated on where the faults are going to be present, where the deviations are going to be present, like this. Some people are concentrated in finding out how to find out the root causes of the problem. So all these things we are going to discuss in quality gurus philosophies. And next one is standards and codes to be followed. Nowadays, if you observe, everybody, we are facing all over the world, we are facing the problem with COVID. Now if you observe, majority of the states, they can able to give this statement as per the ICMR standards. Whatever the ICMR guidelines, we are following the same. Means in order to, it is a service sector. Whenever the people are facing the problem, in order to place them in a proper good environment and proper immunity system, they are going to give some standards. All those things will come under here. So that will come under service. This year we can able to expect the questions from it, because in the current situation, whatever the pandemics are there, as well as whatever the things are going to happen surrounds to us, based on that we are expecting the questions in the engineering services, and we observed such thing in the previous papers also. So that is, so in different industries, so if it is a manufacturing industry, what type of standards they are going to use. If it is a service industry, what they are going to be used. If it is a construction, which organizations will give the who can able to fix the standards, and which standard is going to relevant to which element. All these things we can able to come across this. After that, quality control tools. So majority of the times if you come across histogram, scatter diagram, and next one is a fishbone diagram, like control charts. We are getting the questions from each control charts. So here again, attribute control charts, variable control charts are there, and which control chart will be used in which application. So they are asking the questions from it. Sometimes in order to check the quality, we are going to use sampling. So when we are using sampling, when we are using attribute, when we are using variable control charts, all these things will comes under quality control tools. And next one is improvement techniques. Now those are developed in the old days, like Ishiwaka gave all these 7 control tools, as well as apart from that sampling is also there. But in the latter stages, so many people or so many organizations, they are concentrated to improve their performance and quality. So for that, what all are they included? That is quality function deployment. Similarly, majority of the people can able to observe this particular thing. 6 sigma limits and failure mode effect analysis. So from these we can able to expect the questions in the examination, my dear friends. So in order to get the entire and score more, what type of strategies we have to apply? So actually you are already aware of it. In 2017 only we come across these topics in the ESE prelims examination. From there to now, so 2020 up to 2020, we have the question papers. So first of all, don't move on to the question papers first of all, try to concentrate on the concepts, because that you can able to get it by listening the conceptual classes, because we can able to say one word. So actually this particular topic is there in 3 semesters in MTech program. If you want, you check it out. For industrial engineering specialization, it is having in few universities, so in few places they placed 2 semesters, some places they placed 3 semesters. So among them which is going to be most important? So reading all those things will take a very huge content to you, and go through it is also difficult, and finding out what are the important elements is some more difficult task in that. So that is why you try to move on to the concepts by the lectures. Concepts from the lectures, it is easy. So they can able to give some boundaries of it. In that you can able to learn the elements. And next one is, sir, we are not having much questions from it. Then what I have to do? So try to participate in attempting many quizzes. This is important, different, because another one is material. So before this you have to follow. So try to answer the questions from the material. So go through of the any standard material or any organization's material. Even our material is very good standard. Even if you can able to go ahead with all the materials in each and everything, at least you can able to find a new thing. So that will help you in the examination. So go through the questions. So remember, my dear friends, whether it is ours or any other material, I want to give one information to you. Even for us also, incorporating, in placing all the information in the notes, it is not possible. So that is why you learn from the lectures. That is important. And another one is go through the question bank. Go through the question banks of us as well as other institutions. Then you can able to know what are the how many ways they can able to ask the question and what is the exact answer for the given question. You can able to know it. After that, you try to participate in quiz. This is most important, my dear friends, because even though if you are going to study topic by topic, you will study. So that is okay, but whenever you are studied, you know what are the answers for that. But once if you are participating in the quizzes, just like your examination here, you are going to get the knowledge, and you can able to know where you are making the mistakes. You won't commit the same in the examination. That will fetch you a lot. That is why this is the most important. You try to participate in the quizzes. So from that you can able to sharpen your weapon for the ESE prelims examination. Okay, good, my dear friends. Then by keeping that in our mind, so we are coming with free course for the people who all are working on aiming to crack the GATE ESE examination. We are coming with a free series on YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel, every day at 11:30 a.m. But these quality and standard practices will start from 13th of May till 17th of May. But on 19th of May, I am going to come in front of you with a overall subject. Means I am going to give the question, I am going to form the question from all the topics, and I am going to comes in front of you. Then you can able to check it out what is where you are in this particular thing. Remember, in this, the people who scored much, okay, they are good because they are prepared, but who all are getting less marks, feel that you are getting a chance to improve yourself. Don't be keep it in a negative mood. So this is a chance, because the person who gave the correct answer, he knows that, but once who gave the wrong answer, you know why that answer is wrong. And one more thing, what is the exact answer for the given question, you will be double benefited than them. So then you can able to give the competition to the people who all are in the top. So you try to be in the top and try to learn as many as possible from the lectures. This is going to be most useful session to you, my dear friends. Don't miss it, and we will catch you on 13th May at 11:30 a.m. Try to keep this particular thing in your diary, and we are going to meet on that day. And the people who all are viewing this first time, try to like this session, subscribe, and place the bell icon for getting the regular notifications. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.